Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Devana from the Accounting Study Program at Technocrat Indonesia University. Here I will explain the material about basic concept of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is a field of study that focus on how individuals and groups behave in an organizational environment. The main purpose of studying organizational behavior is to understand, predict, and manage human behavior in organization in order to create better work effectiveness. In the world of work, organization do not only consist of structure, tasks, and system, but also of human beings who have personalities, motivation, and emotion. Therefore, understanding human behavior in the workplace is critical to the success of the organization. 3 levels of organizational behavior analysis. Organizational behavior is analyzed at 3 main levels, namely 1. Individual level. At this level, the focus is on personal characteristics such as personality, perception, attitude, and motivation. 2. Group level. At this level, attention is focused on group dynamic, communication between members, leadership style, and how group make decisions or resolve conflict. Interaction within work team greatly affect the work of the organization as a whole. 3. Organizational level. At this level, analyze includes organizational structure, work culture, formal and informal system, and how the organization respond to change in the external environment. Strategic decision and organizational change process are also important at this level. Key competence in organizational behavior. In the study of organizational behavior, there are a number of interactive key competence including individual and personality. Each person brings a unique background, personality, and values to the workplace. Motivation, the driving factor that make individual want to achieve something, both intrinsically and extrinsically. Communication, the process of effectively conveying information between individual and group is critical to successful teamwork. Leadership, a leader's style and abilities influence team morale, loyalty, and productivity. Decision making, this process is critical for both individual and groups, as every decision impacts organizational performance. Conflict and negotiation. Conflict is natural in organization, but if management well, it can be a trigger for innovation. Organizational culture, the system of values, norms, and habits that shapes the way members of an organization think and act. Objective of studying organization behavior. 1. Some important objectives in studying organizational behavior are 2. Improves understanding of human behavior in the workplace. 3. Developing managerial and leadership skill. 4. Creating a healthy and supportive work environment. 5. Improving employee productivity and job satisfaction. 6. Managing change and conflict constructively. The importance of people handling skill. The term often used to study this scientific discipline is organizational behavior and organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is a field of study that investigates the impact of individuals, groups, and structure on behavior in organization with the intent of applying such knowledge to improve organizational effectiveness, individual behavior, and group behavior in the context of organizational behavior studies are two important elements that must be well understood by research and practitioners in the field of organizational behavior. As an academic study of how humans interact in groups, the study of individual and group behavior occupies a very important position. The principles of organizational behavior studies are applied primarily in efforts to enable business or business organization to operate effectively. An organization is an association of people who have a common goal to fulfill their life needs. Organizational behavior is learning about individual traits or characteristics that are created in an organization environment because humans have different characteristics. Organization behavior is useful for knowing the characteristics of individual in the performance of an organization. Organization behavior learning will find out about ways to overcome problems that exist in the organizational environment.